making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my
Hey guys, we're in my mom's car. Boom, boom. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I can't really see you guys. My mom's car is so small that I don't fit. I'm so used to like my big wide spaced vehicle that when I have to drive my mom's car, it's kind of hard. But today is going to be a vlog, but it's going to be a wee bit different because you guys have seen us so freaking busy. You guys have been seeing what we do from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep, and it's been crazy. But because it's been so crazy, the house has been left a wreck. So today I decided to stay home. It is 11:03 right now, and I decided to stay home today. I actually did have to go to the studio to do some like planning and stuff that I had to finish with the guys. My mom got hurt yesterday, and I didn't want, like, there's a lot of stuff that has to be done here at the house. Whenever we get home, like, I will pick up and stuff here and there. Of course, like, Grecia picks up after herself. There's a lot of things that my mom cannot physically do, like outside, tend to the animals. We have 2 pigs, we have chickens, we have dogs, we have a cat. So I was doing that like all morning long. The grass needs to be cut, but I don't think I'm gonna do that today. I'm literally staring at the yard and I'm like, damn, this needs some loving. There's a lot of stuff inside that needs to be done. I need to clean our room. I'm washing our laundry. It's like almost midweek and we're gonna have a busy rest of the week, so I kind of want to get like the laundry, leave the house clean for when we're gonna be busy later on throughout the week. So that is why I stayed home today. Right now though, I'm super hungry. I haven't even had breakfast. I have been craving chicken Alfredo for the longest time, so I'm gonna go to the store real quick and we're gonna come back. There's a lot of things that we're gonna be doing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I want to thank you guys real quick. I'm blabbering. I want to thank you guys really quick for always commenting. I want to know your names because the usernames that you guys have are sometimes hard. I wish I knew your name, but it says something banana in your username, and you're always so sweet. And I know that you've switched your username like 3 times already, because you always leave me these long beautiful comments and I love them. Like, I look forward to your comment because I know that you're eventually going to comment. But what is your name, like your real name? Because I want to put names to your usernames, if that makes sense. But I'm blabbering, so let's go ahead and take off. Alright guys, So we got everything plus a little more. I thought I was just literally gonna get like chicken, but no. I'm so freaking hungry, you guys.
5 minutes later. Much later.
You guys cannot see me, but we're gonna go pick up Grecia from school and go drop off the trees. Christmas songs. I'm making fideo con carne. We had ice cream from Dairy Queen. And I still have to put clothes away. Fold and put clothes away.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so I have had a day and I want to apologize because I have not been talking to you guys. I've been recording like every now and then that I remember to press record, but it was a day that I spent like at home. But Grecia and I are going to take a shower right now. We already had dinner. I don't think that I recorded that I made fideo con carne for Bert and for Grecia. Bert's actually getting sick. I think he has a fever, so we're gonna call it a day. Tomorrow will be another day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Grecia wants to tell you guys something as always.
The elf's in the freezer. Oh, not in the freezer, the fridge. And she's sitting down, and she said that she'll miss a North Pole, so she's in the refrigerator.
I also haven't been showing you guys Elf on the Shelf's crazy ideas. Christy has been crazy Christy, but it is what it is, you guys. These damn elves. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.